Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope this video finds you in the best of health and well-being. So this video is a one-off and it's just to help our sisters out who have very sparse brows like myself. And I just fill it in a little bit, I don't do anything crazy because I hate, harsh brows and boxy looking brows. I just hate them, right? So in this video, I'm just going to be, following the natural lines of my eyebrows and filling in the sparse areas. In fact, you can hardly notice anything on my brows, even after filling them in and things like that. So you can hardly notice, any brow liner on it. So as Muslims, we all know that we are not allowed to pluck our eyebrows or to, do anything crazy to it. But this is what I just do, when I feel like it, when I'm going out and I just want a, more natural, clean looking eyebrows. So I will be using only 3 items, which are my brow brush, brow liner, oh my god, brow brush, brow liner, and my concealer. Now you can use anything you have available right now, okay, because this is nothing crazy. So it's just to fill it in and just tidy them up a little bit. And please stay till the end of the video to see how it all came together. And in the second half of the video, I will be talking you through how I do my eyebrows, to make it have a natural looking feeling to it. So I hope you enjoy it. If you found it helpful, please share, comment, and like, and subscribe to my channel. This is probably going to be the last makeup related video that I will be doing because I don't do makeup on my channel. So I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video. Just look at the difference, guys. You can hardly notice anything on it, but then it still makes a lot of difference, what I've done. So first, I am going to comb out my brows in the direction that I want them to be. And after that, I'm going to go in with my brow pencil. This is in a color black, so you can use any black eyeliner that you have. So I'm just going in with little strokes here and there just to fill in the sparse areas. And then I will go in with my spoolie, that's a brow brush, to blend it in. Now blending is the key, guys. You do not want a harsh looking brows, very unnatural brows. You do not want that. So blending is the key, which is what I'm doing here. Blend and blend until you are satisfied with what it looks like. So next, I will be cleaning it up a little bit with my concealer. And again, you can use any concealer that you like, anyone that you have available right now you can use. So I'm using a concealer that is very close to my skin tone, the color that is very close to my skin tone. So I'm just going to be going it little by little to clean the bottom part up, just to give it a more defined look. And then I will go to the top of my brow as well and clean it up a little bit. And that's pretty much everything that I do to it. Now if you want your eyebrows to stay put all day, you can go in with a brow gel, just to go over it probably once or twice then you can have everything, you know, stay put throughout the day. I'm not using it today because I'm not going out. You know, I'm just making this video to show you how I would normally do it. So I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please comment, like, and share to enable it to get to more people, you know, so we can help, you know, more sisters out to have very sparse brow like this. So until next time, stay safe, have a good day, and bye bye.